Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a research article analyzer that you can upload any research paper, and then it's going to help you to analyze based on different kind of criteria and maybe tailored towards a research question. Can give you analysis and even give you some themes of keywords that you use in this paper, and give you critical analysis and structured summary of that paper. So this is very good for researchers, and we're going to do that with the help of Google Gemini. So assuming I'm on my Google Gemini over here. So the first thing is we are going to import the prompt, which I'm going to copy from this. I've used it here. So let me just go ahead and copy the prompt, the entire prompt that I'm going to use for this. I'm going to keep this prompt for you so you can as well use it. All right, so we're back in here. We can paste in. So what I have here is create a web app called Research Article Analyzer. The purpose is to help researchers analyze uploaded academic articles by generating structured summaries, evaluating relevance to user-defined research questions, and visualizing dominant themes. So the workflow is going to be like a file upload and then allow the user to upload a research article, and then the research question input should be add a text box where users can enter one or more research questions, one per line. And then example, how does collaboration drive innovation in small businesses? Just an example, and this is what is going to pop up in that. And then we have text extraction. These are the details. Use Gemini to extract text and metadata from the uploaded PDF document. Extract titles, authors, year, abstract, method, result, discussion, keyword, and so on. And then you have structured summary. This is going to be the output. Generate a structured summary with the following labeled section: text, title, authors, year, objectives, method. So it's going to give you the analysis of that paper in this particular format. Okay, so at the end of the summary, include the quality check metrics block. For clarity, you have clarity of research, rigor of methodology, evidence strength. Add a one-line interpretation at the end, and these are going to be scored within this point 1 to 5. And then in terms of evaluation of finding, create a table titled evaluation of findings against research questions. So it's going to classify them according to relevance, high, medium, and low. And then we have overall relevance in terms of add a short synthesis paragraph title, overall relevance of the summary. And then keyword extraction, we have to have keyword cloud visualization. This is going to be generated. So generate a clean professional style looking cloud using the following keywords that have been identified. And you can give us in terms of export, we have the opportunity or the ability to export in Google Docs or in PDF depending. Okay, so we have export as PDF. It's going to export all of this as well. Design notes, we can have keep your layout clean and minimal with clear instructions. So this is just the basics. So once you enter this prompt, which I'm going to put also in the description of this video, we can come over to tools over here, and we're going to use it in Canvas. So you can just go ahead and click on enter to kickstart the creation of this. So you can see it is going over through our prompt, it's generating the coding, and then at the end it's going to give us an application that we can use to analyze any type of paper that you may have. So let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to come up with, and then we're going to test it with 1 or 2 research articles and see the results. Okay, so successfully you can see it has given us the research article analyzer. This is the extract insights, evaluate relevance, and visualize themes from academic papers. That's what the article or the application is going to do. So you can upload your research article in PDF, you can drag and drop, or you can click to upload, and then this is where you type your research questions. Okay, so to test this, I have a research article, so we can just click, and then let's say this paper, we're going to take this paper, and then I'm going to put in some research questions. So what practical, theoretical, or policy implications arise from this study result? What limitations or weaknesses affect the interpretation or generalizability of the findings? And then you can see I have a series of questions. What is the main problem or gap in the knowledge that this study addresses? So you can just go ahead and click on start analyzing. So you can do this for any research article, whether it's a conference paper or it's a journal report or it's even a general report that you're writing for a particular project. It is going to help you to analyze it. So you can see it has given us our structured summary as we have requested, and you can see it's giving us in terms of the key areas that we've highlighted: title, year, method, implications, authors, and it has even captured the objectives, key findings, and limitations as well. So to take a look at the clarity quality check metrics, we have identified and classified that it's going to check clarity of research question, rigor of methodology, and then evidence of strength. You can see generally it has scored it between that 4 to 5 score, and you can see it has given us a very good result. And then at the end, they say this research paper clearly defines the scope and methods biometric analysis on WOS data 2000 to 2020. The interpretation of research evolution is well supported by the chronological analysis and so on. So take a look at the evaluation of findings against research questions. You can see the way it tabulated the result, just like the way we asked it in terms of research question, related findings, relevance, evaluation in general. You can see high, and medium, which is very, very good. See the classification, and then overall result, relevant summary, it's a high, and then thematic analysis, that are the keywords and themes that it has given us. And then at the end, it gives us the keyword cloud of dominant themes that are used in the research article. You can see very, very nice and very interesting. And at the end of it all is what I like the most. You can export this result as a PDF document or as a Google Docs document, and then you can use it outside of this cloud. Okay, so this is very, very wonderful. And like I said, it is done, and you can do it on any article. You can just upload your research article, and it's going to give you the structured summary in terms of the analysis of that article, relevance and so on, as related to the keywords or to research questions. So please go ahead and see how you can use this to develop simple apps that you can use for your own research, so that you can ease your own research. Possibly you can try the one that you can apply multiple research papers, and you'll be able to see the results and how you can use it to your own advantage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.